In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly access the background remover tool. We're going to keep this simple and clear, so by the end, you'll confidently open the background remover in just a few clicks. This walkthrough assumes you already have your image open in your editor or design workspace. If you're looking at the canvas with your photo selected, you're in the right place. First, click on the action icon. Depending on the editor you're using, this might be labeled Actions, More, or it may appear as 3 dots, a magic wand, or a small lightning bolt. You'll typically find it in the top toolbar or near the side panel, and it opens a menu with features that apply to the currently selected layer. If you don't see it immediately, hover your cursor along the edges of the interface. Many apps tuck it into a compact button to save space. Clicking this icon reveals a panel where all the useful tools live, and that's exactly where we're headed. Next, use the search field to look for Background Remover. You should see a search box at the top of the Actions panel. Click into it and start typing the phrase clearly. As you type, the list below filters in real time, helping you find the exact tool without scrolling through a long menu. Some platforms may list it as Background Remover, Remove Background, or Background Eraser. Any of those are fine. If your search returns multiple entries, focus on the one categorized under Effects, Tools, or Image Edits. This is faster and more accurate than browsing by hand, especially if you're new to the interface. Finally, click on Background Remover from the search results. Once you select it, the tool opens and begins analyzing your image. Give it a moment to process. It's identifying the subject and separating it from the background. In most editors, a preview appears automatically so you can see the result. If the button is grayed out, make sure you have an image layer selected and not a text or shape layer. Some tools only appear when an image is active, and a quick layer check usually resolves that. That's all there is to it. Open the action icon, search for Background Remover, and click on it. This workflow is quick, reliable, and avoids digging through menus. If you work with multiple images, repeating these same 3 actions will keep you moving efficiently every time. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part to follow.